Hi, I'm Emily, and I am a primary Montessori guide of 11 years turned stay-at-home homeschooling mom and childcare provider. I first became aware of the Montessori curriculum when I was searching Facebook for those like-minded Montessori homeschooling parents. And with the Montessori training I have and the teaching experience that I have become adept at recognizing quality Montessori materials and lessons. And I can say with confidence that the Montessori curriculum is incredibly authentic and merit-worthy. It's fully customizable and completely comprehensive. My favorite things about the curriculum are the easy to follow rubrics and the customizable nature and the high quality images that are included. These are absolutely going to expand a child's worldview. I would recommend the M3 by Montessori primary curriculum without hesitation, and personally have thoroughly enjoyed incorporating it into my homeschooling environment.